how to use Freshworks CRM. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you all about Freshwork. What are the different features and dashboards that we get on Freshwork to improve our CRM and how you can use Freshwork. So let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is simply go to freshworks.com and you will land on this platform right here. Freshwork is all in one affordable platform that allows you to create your own dashboard in IT, customer service, sales, marketing, and HR. The platform is also quite affordable and has a lot of different features and tools. If we talk about the basic tools that we're getting in Freshwork, we get Freshdesk. Freshdesk is used for customer service. Then we have our Fresh Sales, that is also our CRM dashboard that we get. Then we have our Fresh Marketer, which is for our marketing. Then we have Fresh Service, which is going to be for IT service management. And then we also have a Fresh Team, and it is to modernize our HR and digital teams. Then there are free tools available such as Fresh Shipping and Fresh Status. So Freshwork is all in one platform with different dashboards that we can simply use. So when it comes to the main products, we can simply go ahead and sign up for Freshdesk. Let's say that you want to use Freshwork for customer service. Then you can start your free trial for Freshdesk right here. Then we have our Fresh Sales, which is for CRM, and again the others that I just showed you. If we talk about the platform, we get analytics, collaboration, events and notifications, marketplace, and developer portal as well. The signing up process for Freshwork is really easy. You simply select any of these platforms. So I'm going to be using Freshwork for CRM. So we can start our free trial for our Freshdesk right here and Fresh Sales. Simply click right here. Now we can sign up for our Freshdesk. I will simply go ahead and sign up with my Google account. So I have signed up for a Freshdesk and Fresh Sales because these are the things that we used for our CRM. Let me show you around our Fresh Sales. So on Fresh Sales, you can see right here the signing up process is really easy and you can start your 21-day free trial. Right here, we have our activities dashboard, analytics, and sales dashboard. Then we have our menu right here, which has our dashboards. Then we have contacts and accounts, deals, sales forecast, and activity goals. Then we have product, document, inbox. Then we have our campaigns, forms, analytics, and settings. So in here, we can simply go ahead and create our contacts. Simply go to contacts right here. And in contact, I can simply go ahead and create a new contact, or I can import contact from my Gmail or any other platform. So I can go ahead and import contacts from my Gmail, or you can also drag and drop a file from your sheets. To create a new contact or to create a new form, you will find this plus button right here. When you click on this plus button, it quickly allows you to add a new contact, deal, and product. So I'm going to click right here. And now I will be able to create a new contact. Simply add first name, last name, account, email, mobile, work, owner, and then rest of the description. So I have added a first name, last name, and phone number. I'm going to click on save and a new contact will be created right here. So this is the contact that I just created. And now I can actually perform quick actions such as sending an email, calling, SMS, task, meeting, and add a deal. I will be able to see all of my deals right here, my contacts, history, and work accounts, everything about this detail. So when it comes to the adding contact option, we get a lot of different tools and features. You can see right here, I have my contact field, account, deals. So Freshworks really has all of the features available. So now I have created a new contact right here. I can send an email or maybe schedule a meeting. This is really quick and it helps us improve our CRM and develop a good customer relationship. The good thing is that we can send an email within our fresh sales right here. And I don't need to go to my Gmail or any other platform. So this is how you add a contact. And then you can simply add details like this and also access the WhatsApp of your contact right here. Then we can simply go to our fresh desk. This is our customer service, and we can actually go ahead and improve our CRM with this option as well. You simply add contacts and you work on your customer service. Of course, the good customer service will help us develop our customer relationship and we will be able to provide a good service. Similarly, I can go to documents and add documents to my Freshworks right here. Then we have our inbox option. Inbox, we can access our simple inbox, email templates, sales, bulk email, and phone. One of the features that make Freshworks stand out is the bulk email feature. And I can simply go ahead and create an email and send to many clients at once. And this will help me save time and I will be able to send email to a lot of clients. To set up your CRM on Freshworks, you simply go ahead and import your contacts, connect your email, review your sales pipeline, create a sales sequence, and then you can simply go ahead and book a demo as well. So we have created contacts, we know how to add emails. Now let's go to our sales option. I will simply go to my sales activity right here, or maybe we can go to deals. So when it comes to the CRM, we need to create deals. Creating a deal is super easy. Again, click right here and click on add deal. You simply enter the name, then you add the deal value. You can add the account name. Then we have sales owner, contact, currency, and click on save. Your new deal is created. This way, you can simply go ahead and create a new deal. We can move one deal from one list to another. For example, this is a new deal, and I can move it to follow up or maybe under review as well. And you can see that this will be converted. This is a funnel view. You can change your view to timeline, default list, or compact list as well. So once you're done with your deals, you can add products and then you can go to analytics and check the analytics for your Freshworks as well. Freshwork has a lot of tools and features. Of course, when you will sign up, you will explore all of them. But this is the overview of the platform. You can simply sign up and get your own CRM dashboard right now. Once you get your own dashboard, then you will be able to avail all of the Freshwork features and you will be able to improve your CRM and create a professional dashboard. This brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you and now you know how to use Freshwork for CRM. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.